is it?
I'm gonna let run my mic.
Oh.
I'm about to make his day.
He said, now I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's always a fun day.
Yeah.
You show me a
Show you. Pull it back. Don't pull it back. Like this. And how you do it? Pull it back.
Is that cool?
Is that cool? You like it?
You gonna get one?
cool?
You gonna get one day? Tell your mom you want
You
one.
get one, he said one day? You gonna ride a motorcycle one day?
Yeah. I gotta get bigger, right?
Yeah. How old are you? 4?
So I'll be 5 on 9/11.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
Come here, he's talking to you.
What's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan, I'm Dustin. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Yeah.
You want to give this one a...
Snuggles. Give me Snuggles.
Give him dap. Ethan, look. He said give him dap. Do this.
You want to give this one a start?
Look. He wants to show you the other bike. He loves
Here.
bikes.
You want to start this one up?
Come here.
Come over here on this side.
Come here.
Push that button right there.
Push it. Push it up.
Nope, nope. Push that one in.
The little one. Oh, you
Yep.
see it. Push it in. Over a little bit. Over.
Push it hard.
Hard.